Study Thai with me because, well, we need to study Thai every day in order to be fluent in Thai, and today is just another day that we're studying. Today we're trying to practice our spelling just by hearing the word because sometimes I can spell a word, but I don't know what's being said because my ears are not that good, I guess. Not I guess, I know. So we got to practice our ears to make them better, and today we're going to try and hear some Thai and spell with the letters and vowels that we already know. So hopefully we can do that. Turn on some volume, that's needed. And it's also going to be a typing test, so we're going to practice our typing skills because I need that also. I want to get better at texting in Thai. I feel like it's an underappreciated skill. People either want to be able to read or like handwriting, but I also want to know how to type. Jung. Jung. That sounds like Jojan. Let's see. Where is Pasatai? There it is. Jojan, where are you? Jojan, I found you. Ha ha ha. That sounded like a long oo, so let's find the long oo vowel, and then the ng. Hey, there we go. Bang. So like usual, we want to try and get like 50 in a row, and then we can move on to the next lesson. Low key, the hard part for me is the boba, bobai mai, and the a. But we passed those tests, so we should be able to do well on those. We shouldn't still be struggling with that. Bang. See, my newly trained Thai brain, because I totally passed that test, I actually did, tells me that that's a ball by my. So that's definitely a ball by my, and I'm going full confidence, and I'm going to say it's bang. Oh. Why am I surprised? I'm Thai now. I can know my ball by my's from my ball blas sometimes. What was this? Okay, really testing my two problem childs right off the bat. Was N or an? An. I feel like that's an a. An. Let's give me two B's. An oang. Was it a nonu? And a nonu. Show me that I know my Thai. Show me that I deserve to be on lesson 4. Oh wait, ignore that. I forgot to erase my ball by my. This still might be correct. No, it's not correct. Cry. Eh? N. I guess it's N. Cry. I am not worthy of being Put Pasatai Gang Mak. I'm just Pasatai, my gang. Gang. Gogai. Gogai. Dun dun. Y'all all see the Alphabets video where they sing the Gogai song? I know some of you know what I'm talking about. Gang. Gang Mak. Okay, that's A. A. Where's Gogai? Ngongo. Ngongo. That's how you say it, right? Jung. Give me my Jojan, my long O, and my ngongo. You kind of got to choke on it a little bit. Ngongo, ngongo. Like, I also know like some Arabic, and like we have kh as a letter, where you really gotta like Ahmed, you know. And I think a lot of people struggle with that one. That letter kind of reminds me of no, because like I used to be like as a kid like, oh, why like do Americans struggle with the kh and like Ahmed? But like now I'm like I'm struggling speaking Thai with the ngongo. Like I just swallow it so much. But that's just, I guess, me learning empathy. Huh. Fun times. On. So I was saying the other day that, ooh, on, I can read. But like this is just like practicing my sight sounds. It's not actually real words. My wife was watching that video because she likes to check if I'm actually advancing in Thai. She's like, that's not the same on as reading. On is spelled different. So even though I get excited that I can spell on, it's not actually the on that means the word read. That one's spelled different. Boon. Boon. Was that BP or B? Boon. I hear a bobla, a spicy pea, as they say in Spanish, like playa, puta, Pedro. So give me spicy pea. I'm speaking a lot of languages today. Ah, why my phone freeze? My phone! No! Uh, sorry to scream. I'm sad. Yeah. I wanted to know if I was correct, if that was blah blah. Do something else. I'm gonna have to hide all this. Y'all don't just see what my home screen looks like. Full refresh. Okay. Cry. This is what I get for having an old phone. Okay, let's just start. I don't think my streak was that long, anyways.
Bam,
Bomb.
bam,
Okay, we're still doing Ball by My, blah blah for this one. I think that's Ball by My, though. Leafy greens, because Ball by My is a leaf. And I like eating my leafy greens. Good vegetables. You know, so many Thai foods have vegetables, and you never really hear, or I've never really heard about Thai kids not liking vegetables. Like, is not liking vegetables an American kids thing, or is it just like a not Thai kids thing? Like Thai people, do kids struggle eating vegetables? Because like I feel like cilantro is just like in so many things, and it's delicious in Thai food. I don't know. What do picky eaters look like in Thailand? Is it like different foods than picky eaters in other countries? I feel like that'd be interesting. Not bad. We're not spending money today. Alaiwa tamai. I'm just trying to spell bomb because I'm the bomb. Oh, what was this?
bam,
Was it BP? Oh, today is not a good day for me. Anytime I take more than one day off, it's just not looking good. Blah blah. I am a fish. Struggling. Where even is blah blah? It's a TH. Oh, I did not get that all. That's a thou.
bam,
Bam.
bam,
Oh, I hear it now. That's embarrassing. Okay, my turtles. Good thing I looked at the keyboard.
gan,
Gan. Eh.
gan,
Eh. That feels like eh to me. I'm gonna do double B. Double B. Because I like to be double, I guess. Oh, there's Go Guy. And then, was it N or M?
gan,
N. No. Anyone else call the Thai letters the English equivalent while they're studying? And be like, where's the N? Or like, instead of where's the nonu?
guy,
Guy. Okay. Ignore that. Do.
gan,
Again. Okay, same thing again.
gan,
And I think we said it was again. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, it was.
dow,
Dow. You're a shining star, no matter who you are. Anyone else watch Hormones? Whenever I hear the name Dow, I always think of Dow from Hormones. She had a very sad story though. Poor Dow. They did her dirty. Uh, yeah.
gan,
Again. Can you feel these gains?
gan,
Can me, baby, one more time.
dam,
I thought I was doing so well. I only have a streak in a row of 6. Was it John?
dam,
Jam. Jamadai. Oh, Jamadai. Jam. That's a long and then ma. I always want to say mamu, but it's mama.
bean,
Tin. Kuntin. Something. Uh, those are curse words, by the way. You should not be saying that. But they're so much fun to say. And, like, I don't really understand them because we don't have an equivalent for thin in English. Because, like, apparently means, like, to put your foot on someone. One of my Tav friends said that you ever just want to put your foot on someone's face, that's when you say, like, kuntin, or was it something? Anyways, I just thought that was really funny. So, yeah, thin, it's a fun word. Don't say it to someone unless you want to fight them or you're really close with them and they know you're joking. But yeah, it's fun. You gotta put a little oomph on it, like kuntin, something. Ah. My wife always says my best pronunciation in Thai is my curse words. I don't know why. Maybe because they're more fun. You really get to like kuntin. So yeah, uh, that's just me.
Then
What are the fun curse words like? I said, yeah, like just fun to say. Maybe because Thai is not my main language, but I'm sure someone's watching this be like, "Why are you cursing me out? What did I do to you?" So, koton makap. Um,
then
I'm just practicing my Thai because you never know. Like, I need to know if someone's cursing me out because I can't see myself ever cursing someone out in Thai. Like, even if they did something wrong to me, I'd just be like, "Oh, I'm sorry." They're like, I don't know, but yeah, I don't see myself curse someone out. But it'd be good to know if someone else is cursing me out. So that's why it's good to learn some curse words.
then
Eh, ah, eh, ah.
then
I think it's an eh, like one B, dodek, and nonu. I'm not confident though, so we'll see. It's not. Was it double B? Nonu. Ah, it was. And
Jung.
all right, our best streak was like six, I guess. Not great. Um, we'll try this again tomorrow. I really want to get to the ending consonants game, which is the next game. But this is pretty important to be able to hear things because sometimes I actually know what someone's saying if I understood what they were saying. Does that make sense? Because sometimes I like be looking at my wife and she'll just repeat what the other person said to me, but like a little bit slower, and then I'll know exactly what they said, even though she's just repeating the exact same thing they said, but in Thai. So this is a good test for me to try and get better at auditorily hearing Thai. But anyways, we didn't do that well today. We'll try again tomorrow. I'll see you guys next time.